Welcome back to our psychology podcast. If you understand English, but sometimes feel confused inside your own mind, this podcast is for you.
Today, we are talking about something we all do, overthinking.
Yes, overthinking small things, big things, things that haven't even happened yet.
Overthinking is when your mind does not stop. You think again and again about the same problem.
And most of the time, there is no solution, only stress.
Psychology says overthinking is not a weakness. It is your brain trying to protect you.
Our brain's main job is survival, not happiness.
So, when your brain feels unsafe, it starts thinking about what-ifs.
What if I fail? What if they judge me? What if I make a mistake?
You send a message, they don't reply.
And your brain starts a movie.
Did I say something wrong? Are they angry? They probably don't like me anymore.
But psychology says most of the time the problem is not real. It is only in your head.
Here's something interesting. Smart people often overthink more.
Because their brain sees many possibilities. Good ones, bad ones.
But too many options create confusion.
Overthinking makes simple decisions hard.
It kills confidence.
It steals sleep. And slowly it makes you
Tired, even if you do nothing.
How to stop overthinking. Psychology tips.
First, notice your thoughts. Don't fight them.
Second, ask yourself, is this problem real right now?
Third, focus on action, not perfection.
Psychology says action calms the mind.
Your mind is powerful, but you are more powerful than your thoughts.
You don't need to control every thought.
You just need to stop believing all of them. If this podcast helped you understand your mind a little bit better,
Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who overthinks too much.
see you in the next Psychology podcast.